Hello students, in the last class we discussed about the electronic configuration, and the physical properties of the transition elements. Electronic configuration and physical properties of the transition elements. In this class we can discuss about the next general property of transition element as atomic and ionic radii. In any transition series, with increase in atomic number, in any transition series, that is the transition series may be 3D series or first transition series, second transition, third transition series and fourth transition series. Among that fourth transition series, fourth transition series is incomplete. In a given transition series, with increase in atomic number, atomic size, that is the atomic radii, atomic and ionic radii or atomic size decreases. With increase in atomic number, atomic size or radius decreases in any given transition series. Why this happens means because the new electron, the ordered electron, with increase in atomic number means that electrons get increased. The ordered electron or the new electron enters into the same d orbital. The new electron enters into the same d orbital. Then that effective nuclear charge, that is commonly called ENC, effective nuclear charge increases, or screening effect, or shielding effect, of the d electron, it is not much effective. That is, screening effect is maximum for the S, P, D, F. S electron have maximum screening effect. In first year we studied that as the screening effect increases, that atomic size also increases. As the nuclear charge increases, size decreases. That screening effect of the d electron is not effective. Electron enters into the same d orbital, effective nuclear charge increases, hence that force of attraction of the ordered electron, force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost electron increases. Force of attraction between the nucleus and that outermost electron increases, hence atomic size decreases. That is, in a given transition series, with increase in the atomic number, atomic size decreases. Why atomic size decreases means this is the reason. The ordered electron, the new electron enters into the same d orbital, effective nuclear charge increases, screening effect of the d electron is not much effective, force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost electron increases, hence atomic size decreases. Then in first transition series, that is commonly called 3D series. In first transition series, scandium to chromium, atomic radius decreases, and up to copper it remains the same. And then increases, it decreases. This is the variation in the 3D series. If they ask how atomic and ionic radii varies in the first transition series or 3D series, means you have to write this one. from scandium to chromium, that is in the beginning, atomic size decreases. At the middle, that is up to copper, remains the same. At the end, and then increases. But generally, this is the explanation. In any transition series, with increase in atomic number, atomic size decreases. This is general explanation. For the first transition series, this is the variation. That is, in the beginning, scandium to chromium decreases. In the middle, that is up to copper, remains the same. At the end, again get increases. Why this happens means, in the beginning, the increase in ENC, effective nuclear charge, increase in ENC is dominant. It is dominant over the screening effect. In the beginning, increase in ENC is dominant over the screening effect. In first year, in the periodic table, we already studied that higher the ENC, effective nuclear charge, smaller the size. Higher the screening effect, larger the size. Higher the effective nuclear charge, smaller the size. Higher the screening effect, larger will be the size. But in the beginning, that increase in ENC is dominant over the screening effect. Hence, in the beginning, atomic size decreases. Due to that increase, that ENC is dominant, hence atomic size decreases. Then, at the middle of the series, that increase in ENC is balanced. Increase in ENC is balanced by the increase in the screening effect. That ENC is balanced by the screening effect. At the middle of the series, increase in ENC is balanced by the screening effect. Hence, atomic size remains same at the middle of the series. Then, at the end of the series, that electron pairing takes place. Electron pairing occurs. At the end of the series, electron pairing occurs. Then, electron repulsion. Electron repulsion, due to pairing of the electron repulsion takes place. Electron repulsion occurs, causes the slight expansion. Hence, atomic size increases at the end of the series. This is the reason for the first transition series. In the first transition series, in the scandium to chromium, that is in the beginning, atomic size decreases. At the middle of the series, that is up to copper, remains the same, and then increases. Why this happens means, in the beginning, increase in ENC is dominant over the screening effect, hence atomic size decreases in the beginning. At the middle of the series, increase in ENC is balanced by the screening effect, hence atomic size remains same. At the end of the series, electron pairing occurs. There arises an electron repulsion between the ordered electrons, causes a slight expansion in the size. Hence atomic size increases at the end of the series. Then next you consider in that three different series how atomic size varies. This atomic and ionic radii generally increases down the group. Atomic and ionic radii or size increases down the group from first transition series to second transition series. And from second to third transition series. Generally, atomic size increases down the group from first transition to second transition series, and then from second to third transition series. But here exceptional, but atomic size of third transition series are nearly same as that of the second transition series. Actually, down the group, atomic and ionic size increases down the group from first transition series to second transition series, and compare that second to third transition series have larger size. But generally, if you observe the values, size of the third transition series nearly same as that of the size of the second transition series. Why this happens means why that atomic size of the third transition series nearly same as that of the second transition series means due to this is one more question, due to lanthanide contraction. Actually, this is discussed under the F block elements. In detail, we can study in the F block elements. The size of the third transition series nearly same as that of the second transition series due to lanthanide contraction. One more reason. What is lanthanide contraction means the atomic and ionic size radii increases. Atomic and ionic radii increases with increase in the atomic number. Atomic size increases with increase in the atomic number across the lanthanides. We can call it as the lanthanide contraction. Simple definition. What is lanthanide contraction means that is the increase in the atomic size with increase in the atomic number across the lanthanides. We can call it as the lanthanide contraction. Then exact definition of the lanthanide contraction is the filling of the 4f orbital before 5d orbital. Filling of the 4f orbital before 5d. Filling of the 4f before 5d orbital results in the decrease in size across the lanthanides. Filling of the 4f before 5d orbital results in decrease in size across the lanthanides. Is commonly called as the lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction means filling of the 4f before 5d results in the decrease in size across the lanthanides. We can call it the lanthanide contraction. Or instead of that one, we can write with increase in atomic number. Atomic size decreases across the lanthanides. With increase in atomic number, atomic size decreases across the lanthanides is called lanthanide contraction. Any definition you can write, it is for 1 mark, it is most important. Then the factor responsible for the lanthanide contraction is due to imperfect or poor shielding. The factor responsible for lanthanide contraction is due to imperfect or poor shielding of one electron by another. one electron by another in the same or in the same shell, in the same set of orbitals, in the same shell or in the same set of orbitals, in the same set of orbitals. This is the factor or cause for lanthanoid contraction. They can ask 2 marks. What is lanthanoid contraction? What is cause for it? The cause or factor responsible for lanthanoid contraction is due to poor shielding of one electron by another in the same set of the orbitals. That is the shielding of one f electron by another. One f electron by another is less than that of 1d electron by another. This is the factor cause that is responsible for the lanthanoid contraction. The shielding of one f electron by another is less than that of the 1d electron by another. You can write either this one or due to poor shielding of one electron by another in the same set of the orbitals. That is, the electron entered into the 4f before 5d. That means shielding of the f electron, already I discussed that shielding effect is in the order of s electrons greater than d, p electron greater than d greater than f. In that lanthanoids, across the lanthanoids, the electron due to filling in the f sub shell, there arises an poor shielding of the f electron. Shielding of one f electron by another is less than that of 1d electron by another, causes the decrease in the size across the lanthanoid. This is for the cause for lanthanoid contraction. When that shielding effect decreases, that effective nuclear charge increases. Due to that increase in the effective nuclear charge, size decreases. Then last one more. So they can take what is lanthanoid contraction. Write any one consequence. That is importance. Consequence. They can either ask a consequence or cause for the lanthanoid contraction. Any one. The consequence of lanthanoid contraction is that second and third transition series have similar atomic and ionic size. This is very most important one. Second, due to lanthanoid contraction, second and third transition series, they have similar atomic and ionic size. They based on that one, they can take the example. One is zirconium, then another one is then osmium. Zirconium and then osmium. Zirconium size is of 160 picometer and osmium size is of 159 picometer. This zirconium and osmium have same atomic size. They can take the question like, why zirconium and osmium have same size, atomic and ionic size? Due to lanthanoid contraction. This is the first cause. Second and third transition series have similar atomic and ionic size. Example is zirconium and osmium have similar atomic size. Then second consequence is second and third transition series have similar physical and chemical properties. They have similar physical and chemical properties. This is the second consequence. You practice these two consequences. Second and third transition series have similar atomic and ionic size. Example is zirconium and osmium have same size due to lanthanoid contraction. Then second consequence is second and third transition series have similar physical and chemical properties. Then one more is occurrence together in nature. These lanthanoids occurrence together in nature. Hence it is difficult to hence it is difficult. It is difficult to separate them. It is difficult to separate them. This is the third consequence. Occurrence together in nature, hence they are difficult to separate them, because that second and third transition series, they have similar physical and chemical properties. They occurs together in nature, hence they are separate. To separate them, it becomes very difficult. These are the three consequences. So practice these lanthanide contraction, factor responsible for lanthanide contraction, and consequence. This is very most important for the 2 marks. They can take any two. That is, lanthanide contraction means with increase in atomic number, atomic size decreases across the lanthanides is called lanthanide contraction. Cause for lanthanide contraction is due to imperfect shielding of one electron by another in the same set of the orbitals. Consequences: second and third transition series have similar atomic and ionic size. Example: zirconium and osmium have same size. Second and third transition series have similar physical and chemical properties. Occurs together in nature, difficult to separate them. This is about the occurs together in nature of the lanthanides, difficult to separate them. These are the consequences of the lanthanide contraction. You note down as it is and practice. The next class we can study other general properties.